awarding table, we have Michael Eugenio de los Reyes, Sidney Aquilino, Regil Badilles, Adriel Manabat, Mervin Salonga, Jose Paulo Sacado, Rayan Ang, Constantine Moxin, Adrian Tusi, Pietro Gohu. Please proceed to the awarding table.
Men's Gi White Master 2, weight division 77 kilograms. This is for the final match. Janelle Cruz versus Joseph Patrick Mabaclay. Please stand by on mat number 4. Thank you.
Cross-face natin.
Joey Cortez, please proceed to the awarding table. Michael Eugenio de los Reyes, Sidney Aquilino, Regil Badilles, please proceed to the awarding table. Adrian Manabal, Mervin Salonga, Jose Paulo Sacado, Rayan Ang, Constantine Moxin, Adrian Tusi, Pietro Gohu.
Once again, we would like to acknowledge our sponsors. Our silver sponsor is Lucas Rodriguez. Bronze sponsors are TKL Steel Corporation, Verde 1600, K1 Extreme Bike Shop, Gatorade, Kaizen Wheels Corporation, Henry's Cameras, Hanabishi, Astana, Transmart Automotive Sales Corporation, Coco Beans, Suda Seat Japan,